I'm going to discuss with you about earth leakage relay. So friend, earth leakage relay is a type of protection relays that is giving protection against earth leakage. If there is any earth leakage in the circuit, it is going to trip your main breaker, and it will be connected in the control side. So friends, as you can see on the screen, I have a diagram of earth leakage relay. It's a Schneider earth leakage relay. On relay, you can see there are terminals A1 and A2, and there is terminal T1 and T2. So friends, there are some set and reset button and test button as well, and you can see two dials on the top of the relay. You will see these two dials on every. If this is Schneider of any brand relay, you will see there will be two types of dials. One is written I delta N and one is written delta T. So the one will be used for any change in the current you can set, and the next will be used for time. Friends, if there is any earth leakage in the circuit, the relay is going to stop supply to the load and it will trip the breaker. So the first dial is going to select the leakage current, how much leakage current you would like to flow in the earth wire. So friends, there are from 0.03 to 30. Normally for the machines and generators and big load, we need to select point 1, and for normal lighting circuit and electronic equipments, we need to select 0.03. So friends, there are next dials they are using in the power stations, and friends, there will be one reset button on the top of the relay. If there is any fault in the relay, you can reset it from the reset button, and you can test your relay as well if it's working or no, if it's going to energize the protection relay or not. You can test your relay by pressing the test button. Once you press the test button, it's going to trip the circuit, and like that you can do the test. Next friends, this is the times. Normally if there is any earth leakage, the circuit must be disconnected in milliseconds from the main source to protect the human loss. In that case, in earth leakage, if anyone is going to touch the machine, and if there is some leakage current flowing in the circuit, so it's harmful for the human being. So we have to trip the machine as soon as possible within a milliseconds. So friends, there are from 0 to 4.5 seconds. It's up to you how much you are going to set. Normally the setting will be 0.06 or between that, and for big machines you can select 0.15 or 0.31. And on the top, friends, A1 and A2 will be used for the power supply for the relay function. The relay function also need 220 power to be connected to the relay. And on the relay, friends, you'll find some control terminal as well. And you can see, friends, down we have uh, we have 11 and 14, it's normally open, and 13, 32 and 31 is normally closed, and 31 and 34 is normally open. So friends, you can use 31 and 34 for the fault. It will give you the indication once there is fault in the circuit. 3.1 and 3.4 is going to be closed, and it will show indication if there is any trip in the out leakage relay. And 3.1, 3.2 can be used for the load contactor. It's going to open if there is a fault. It's up to you how you are going to design your control circuit. You can use any of these control terminals. And friends, you can trip the relay from the far as well. If you don't want to use the buttons on the top of the relay and you would like to test it from the remote area, you can use these terminals to test or reset the relay from the panel or from the remote far from the panel. So you have to use 25, 26 and 27 for remote function if you would like to reset and test your relay far from the machine or far from the panel. So in France, there are more two terminals on the top, T1 and T2. These terminals is going to use with the toroid. Toroid is used to measure the leakage current in the circuit. Normally the vector sum of the current will be 0. If you are using for a three phases, vector sum will be 0 in normal operation. If there is any fault in the circuit, and the leakage current will flow in earth wire, and there will be some difference in the leakage current, and toroid going to sense the current and will give a signal to the T1 and T2, and your relay is going to trip the circuit. So friend, this is how an earth leakage relay works. Thank you for watching my video. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and like the video. If you have anything, mention in the comment and I will be able to reply to your comments. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.